Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated wash day routine. The previous video I filmed was when I was Tex-Lax. I am now fully natural with type 4 hair, and if you're interested in how I wash it, just keep on watching. First, this little ring thing that I'm showing you, a hair drain catcher. Get you one of these, sis. You need one if you wash your hair in the shower. It will save your life. So what we're doing is we're starting off like we always start off, and we're just bunding with the water, letting it do its thing, letting it really penetrate the hair. So make sure you get your hair really wet before you start to detangle. And make sure your shower's on warm and not burning hot. I just burnt the hell out of my back trying to record this. So first you're going to see here that I'm like sectioning off this small back section. But I will later change that because I like to typically section my hair into 4 sections, which works the best. I'm all for convenience and quickness when washing my hair because I don't have time for all day wash routines. So you're going to see me readjust here, and you're going to see me actually pull out some more hair and section this into 4 sections instead of going up rows like I was about to do. That was not going to work out. But yeah, this is what's actually going to work for me. You see that I have my hair in 3 sections right here, which is later going to become 4. So the shampoo that I'm actually using is the Low Porosity line by Shea Moisture. I'm just using the shampoo to really strip and cleanse my hair because I am coming out of a wash and go where I had plenty of gel in my hair. So I want to be sure to clean it really good so that when I reapply product, I don't experience more buildup. So then of course you want to rinse that shampoo out, and I'm just rinsing it out really good and also using my dimming brush to make sure that all of the shampoo is coming out of my strands and they're not trying to get tangled on me. And the conditioner that I'm going to be using is this Garnier Whole Blends. It's from the Honey line, and I really like this conditioner. It does really good with my hair, and it gives me some great slip. So the product goes right through my hair. It's easy to detangle. But I recently tried the Manuka Honey by Shea Moisture conditioner, and I am loving that. So I have been switching back and forth, but for a cheaper alternative and more product, you can go with this Whole Blends conditioner. I then twist away my hair and we're ready to move on to the next section. So of course we're on the next section. We're going to basically repeat all of those steps and twist my hair up again. I will be back once all my hair is washed and conditioned and twisted. So I actually wanted to mention that once I got to this front section, it was a little bit bigger than I wanted. So I'm actually going to split the front sections into 2 for a total of about 6 sections. Alright, so we're on the last section, and what we're going to do now is take down the sections and rinse out the conditioner. Again, with the detangling, don't forget we're going to be detangling all throughout this process. You cannot detangle too much when you have curly hair because you do not want any knots or matting. Alright, so for my last and final step, I'm using the Kinky Curlies Not Today leave-in conditioner, and I'm working that into my hair. Actually, this is going to be followed up by a wash and go video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video because I will be showing y'all how I do a wash and go using the Kinky Curly Custard. So what I'm doing right now is just prepping my hair, making sure it's gonna be good and moisturized for my wash and go. Gonna do what? Detangle. We are going to be making sure this hair is tangle free and extra moisturized for our wash and go. We ain't trying to go out dry and crusty. So I follow that up, of course, with twisting my hair away like always, and then I'm going to repeat this all over my head. So guys, that's it. That's all I do for my wash day. Be sure to stay tuned for my wash and go video coming up next, and I will see you guys in my next video.